guys, welcome back. I have a secret to tell you. These are my first pair of Air Jordan 12's I know. Let's get into the why. Here's the shoe. First of all, I usually pride myself on having all the Chicago colorways. I'm gonna insert some photos. It's in me to have black, red, and white. But for some reason, it was just never in my ministry to get the Flu Grain 12's. For one, I'm just a girl. So looking at this silhouette in this color, it was giving too much boy for me at the time. I was just like, I could pass on it. But I do have the cherry 12's. And I have a few other colorways of the 12's. I just didn't have this one. I think over time, I appreciated the story and what Michael Jordan did in these versus the colorway and the overall silhouette itself. That's what made me have to have them this time around. Shout out to Foot Locker for sending these over. This shoe is one of those instances where the story does matter to me of what he was able to do in this silhouette. Game 5, he had food poisoning and he was able to manage to take his team to game 6 of the finals. That's what made me appreciate this over time. Now, me in 2025, I feel like this would definitely fit my wardrobe in the aesthetic that I have, a lot of the things that I wear. I feel like now it has its rightful place in my sneaker collection to go with its other brothers and sisters. And there must be something in the water with Jordan Brand overall. They started the year out super strong, especially with All-Star Weekend in San Francisco, and then how they released the 85 Jordan 1 band. I have those two. Plus I did a video on them. Child, the moment has passed. I insert a clip. Jordan Brand is out here restoring the order, and these dropped during All-Star Weekend with Foot Locker. And Foot Locker has been getting all the releases, which is great because you're able to go in your local retailer and grab a pair of shoes. But recently when these just dropped, the lines was around the corner. We haven't seen that in a long time with people waiting outside to get their hands on a pair of sneakers. Is the sneaker world healing? We're seeing a lot of Jordan releases happening and we're seeing them activate a little bit more, and I love seeing that from the brand, restoring the order, getting people back outside, getting people excited for sneakers. We just saw the reimagined Jordan 5s just dropped, the Union Jordan 1 Chicago Shadow just dropped, and then of course we have these Flu Grain 12's that dropped in, full size run for the family. So it's looking to be an exciting year ahead for Jordan Brand. There's a few sneakers in my collection that have yellow and they just need to be replaced. So hopefully some of my favorites will re-release this year. So I didn't want to keep you guys too long with today's video. You guys are very familiar with this silhouette, and I had to just share a few reasons why I didn't have it in my collection. But now can't nobody tell me nothing. I have the shoes. I don't want to hear it. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys very, very soon because we got some more sneakers to talk about. But thank you so much to Foot Locker for sending these over. I would definitely cherish these since these are my first pair of Flu Grain 12. So thank you guys for watching and tuning in. I will see you later this week with another video. Until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.